Hello class, I'd like to welcome you all to TVRA 129, Concept and Story. My name is Professor Diener and we will be together for 16 weeks. We will be learning all kinds of different writing in this course, including documentaries, journalistic writing, public service announcements, films, and we'll be also doing a career portfolio, which you can use in your future job search. So it's a really well-rounded class. I think you'll really enjoy it. I'm so happy to have you here. I do have one announcement though. The first week, starting on Monday, January 24th, we will be going via Zoom. It will be a virtual class just for 1 week due to a COVID-19 exposure. So we want everyone to be safe. And we will be meeting on Zoom just the first week. So that's January 24th, Monday, and January 26th, Wednesday. The class will start at 1 o'clock. I've opened up the Zoom meeting at 12:30. If anybody wants to join early, that would be fine too. But we will start at 1 o'clock. So I hope to see everyone there on Monday. And like I said, only this week we'll be on Zoom. After that, we should be back in the classroom, which will be wonderful. We'll be in TC 136 at the building at Montgomery College in Rockville. So anyway, thanks again for joining our class. Welcome. I can't wait to meet everybody via Zoom on Monday.